So here's a budget gaming PC under 12,000 Rand that will be perfect for 1080p gaming. The CPU, the best choice is the Ryzen 5 5500 with 6 cores and 12 threads. You can find this around 1,800 Rand. For the GPU, I suggest the Radeon RX 6600 8GB version. It's probably the best buying for your buck, which is around 4,500 Rand. And for the motherboard, the ASRock B450M or the Gigabyte 550M, which is roughly about 1,500 Rand. For the RAM, I suggest 16GB of DDR4 at 3200 MHz, which is around 950 to 1,000 Rand. And for the storage, at least 500GB NVMe SSD, which is around 800 to 900 Rand. And for the PCU, at least 500 watts from a decent brand, which is around 950 Rand. And for the case, any budget ATX with fans for about 800 Rand. The total is around 11,500 Rand, which can run Valorant, Apex Legends, GTA 5, even Cyberpunk at 60 frames per second on medium settings. So what would you swap out? Let me know down in the comments below.